Greetings, all. Shardvixen. Okay, so I had to move. It looks like it's bright enough, but I don't know. I just had to move because my crafting table is overwhelmed with stuff. And I've been sick, and then I went on a trip, and now I'm back, and I feel like I've been gone for weeks. So we're gonna try this, and the dogs are going. Hang on. So this might be kind of a quick video. I'm making glue stencils. The lady that I saw do this, I'm sure probably Al John does it. I just haven't seen that particular thing. And I don't, my my glue gun doesn't like to work as well. So I'm gonna have to get a new one. I think I'm gonna buy. This is my third freaking glue gun, I'll have you know. And part of the problem is I don't have, I get the glue. I get the glue things that I either have ones that are too small or too big, but not the right ones. Not the right ones. Okay. So really, if you did this right, which I don't know how to do anything right, we know this, right? If I was to do this right, you would, so if you did this right, you know, not half-assed like I do things, then you would have a glue gun that would work, right? But this is a trial thing. I'm trying to make stencils. She had these really cool ones that you could just draw. What I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to get me a new glue gun. At least one that has that, or at least get the glue sticks that are this size. Ooh, look at that. Okay, because these are almost dry. See? Because I wanted to make clouds and waves and, you know, all them things. I could even make a bunny. I thought it would be fun, says the lady who has problems with her hands. This'll be fun, don't worry. Ooh, melting my end of my stir thing here. It's so hot. It's alright. I can paint with glue. I know how. So this is not how you do this. Go look at the thefrugalcrafter, Lindsay. I had it written down. No, I don't. I'll put it in the, when I edit this, I'll put it in there so you can see how that would be done. How would it be done? I don't know. Did you take little dog out too? So what happens is the glue sticks I have are too small and they don't go all the way down and the thing can't grip them. So, but I wanted to use them up because I want to get new ones at some point. So, 'tis what it is. We'll see. We'll see if we can make this work the way we need it to. Ay, that's hot, ah! Oh, I got it in my hair. I don't know how that works. That was warm. It's coming out on the wrong side. Oh, we're having a problem here. Malfunction. As you guys all know, all I ever do is malfunctions. Why have a video channel in which you have these problems? Well, because why not? Okay, so we're going to paint on our glue. Right? We're going to paint it on because I'm not sure why it's not coming out. It's not coming out in where it's supposed to. It's coming out, it's backing up and coming out. See, look. It's backing out and coming out someplace else. I'm not sure why. I don't know why it's doing this. I just wish it would stop. Okay, and then on this side too, it's doing it. It's not. I guess I have broken my my glue gun. That's what I'm feeling like. Okay, we're gonna try one more time. Then I'm not gonna mess with it. I'm just gonna toss it out and get me a new one. Oh, there we go. Buy me a new one. I have another one, a smaller one, but I think the smaller one I have, these don't fit either. It's like they're weird. They're just a weird thing. Okay, well, I have a mess here. I have a mess that I have to figure out how to clean up. Oh, there's a big old globby of it. Oh my gosh. I've got globs of glue everywhere. So what I have here is a silicone cooking sheet. That's what the Frugal Crafter suggested. Okay, so we're going to let that cool. And we're going to come back in just a bit. Hang on. Alright, well I couldn't get it to rework, but here's what I've got. And then I'm going to show you what that'll look like. Let's do some painting with it. Okay, so I got really excited with how you could do folds, and I've been studying them. I've been making some more folded pockets. So this is one of mine. Here you have a pocket. They're not glued yet. Then you'll have a pocket right here because I would glue this part on. So I'd have a pocket here and a pocket here, and then you'd have this little part right here where you could stick something in, and then you have your little parts up here and your little parts there. But I can, you know, if you're interested, I'm gonna do a thing on that. It'll show how I made them, how I make lots. Michael's, this is not sponsored in any shape or form. This is just was having a big sale on this brand right here, and you could buy one set of these for $4.99, and it came with 8, and get a second one free. So that was pretty cool. Then of course my homemade daubers, which I have other daubers. So it's like I've been told there's a couple ways you do this. So let's see. We could do it this way. This is a really light color, by the way. Okay, you can do it this way. Problem is, to me, it just seems like it all comes out then. I wonder if you flip that over, could you use it like a stamp? Maybe. But it didn't really do what I wanted to do, did it? I don't know if it's because I don't have the right kind of stuff. I never have the right kind of stuff. You just can't, you know, people say, oh, you can just do this and it'll work. And it just never works for me. Even when I do it their way. It works better when I do it my way. Let's see. So, let's try this one. I have other sponges, so we'll go get a different sponge if that's the problem. Okay. Which, that could be the problem. Oh no, there we go. So, look, we got a line out of the deal. It's really pretty colors together. We should do some more. We should do some more. I'm just gonna have to figure out how to do it better, that's all. Well, that one wouldn't color in because it's too far down, so that you wouldn't get that color. Right? But you would get, if you wanted to, we could do it this way. For those, but we're not doing a thing for this. I'm going to show you how to do those later. We're doing, did our stencil work? It kind of worked, but not the way I wanted it to. So maybe it's that certain inks work better than others. Alright, we're going to try one more because I really like that pink. I really, really like it. I just think that this is not the stamp that you would use on that. No. Okay, well. Can't do it that way, though I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm gonna figure out how to make them all work. If it kills me... You know, my problem is I got dog hair every freaking place in the world. Even when I clean things out, I still have dog hair. Okay, so... Yeah, look. See, so they work. Stencils work. That's such a pretty color. I like that. Those colors, though. I got this really pretty orange paper. So, I don't like tea dye paper. To me, it looks old. I don't like the old look. I like bright, vibrant things. So I will always do... So these are my watercolor dyed... actually, they're food color dyed sheets. If you're interested in that, you'll have to tell me and I'll show you. But it's really simple. You don't really need a whole lot of things for it. Alright, so we're going to put that on there. This is just my tester. Here we go. Spray, 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 spray. Okay, let's see how that worked. Oh, that worked pretty good. Look at that. And then, oh wait, we didn't have a dauber. So, that worked out well. Look at that. I think that's pretty. But that's me. I might open this up, though. We'll stick this on here again, right? Move it along a different part of the paper here, though. Maybe we'll do this. My sprays have a bit too much power in them. Okay. And then we'll lift it up. Yeah, look at that. That worked. And then we'll dab it. Okay. And then we'll pull that back up. And look, that looks really pretty. So, the stencils work. I'll do another one and make some stencils with it. I just got to get a new glue gum. I taken apart the other one, and it's probably not going to ever get back together because I can't really get into the heating element to clear out the glue because that's where it seems to be backed up at. Anyway, so I'll catch you all on the next one, and I'm out of here. Peace.